It's hello friends, it's Tomb Raider, and I'm back to playing Drop Dead Dual Strike Edition MetaQuest 3 update. On the last video that I uploaded, unfortunately, my voice could not be heard. Some of the comments that I was making in this specific spot regarding the solo campaign board were not heard, but hopefully now they will be. What I was trying to say is that I completed timeline 1. If I click on it, see? All of these have been completed with the stars. So the game entails 3 different timelines. And then playing Solo Horde, I haven't tried those yet, so I really cannot comment on them yet. But I'm pretty excited that now I am doing timeline 2, so as I progress in the game it is going to get harder, and that's okay. I always welcome a challenge, especially when it's a fun and entertaining game like this one. I wanted to mention something else quite important for those that have the Quest 3 mixed reality headset. There's a new game called The Cabin, where you're fighting zombies that appear all over your home. So it's part of a mixed reality zombie game that takes place in your home, okay? So yeah, that's about it. So now I will proceed to, let's see, I think it's this one. Get to the cellar. Hold on. I already tried that one. So I believe it is that one. Get to the cellar. Let's see.
I know you're still getting used to your new toys, but check this.
Oh,
Lily
that's a
Lane.
beauty.
We've had some fun, eh, sweetheart?
Yeah.
You gave your gun a name?
After a woman I met in Korea. What she couldn't do with the ping pong paddle and some honey.
Dad, I really don't want to hear this.
Yeah, right. I left another shooting iron somewhere in the cellar. You better go grab it.
Well, here we go. Oh, what is that?
Farmhands have turned, damn it. Gotta put them out of their misery.
Reload. Headshot. Reload. Headshot. Excellent. Grenade. Reload. Reload.
My goodness.
Headshot. Headshot. Awesome.
I've taken a closer look at the Z-Virus, and I think I can replicate the host cell through the process of reverse transcription. And you don't need to know the details. I just need samples. And by samples, I mean body parts.
Grenade. Headshot. Excellent. Headshot.
Well, I'm gonna keep on trying, but now you get an idea of what it's like. And it's a fun game. Absolutely recommended. This is all for now. I'm gonna see how many stages I can get on Timeline 2. Tomb Raider wishes everybody a great weekend. Bye.